Hello guys, so let me walk us through how you can install the boot, especially the updated version. I'm very busy this morning. So once you get the boot on the group, so the updated version, the one of 4.19. So we are using a web version like this. If you are using a system and you are using the web, the app, I mean the Telegram app. So once you put your mouse there, just right click. So you will see show in folder. So click on it. You can see this is the boot, right? Just copy it. So just copy it and know you should know how to copy, right? So once you copy it, just go to your VPS, go to the VPS. Okay, let me use this first VPS, this first one. So let's wait for it to load. Alright, as you can see, I've already integrated my own before, but because of this, let me show us again. Actually, if you have just only one app on your system, if you have just only one MT5, you can just paste it here like this. So once you paste it here, so you can double click on it. But if you double click on it and you have more than one MT5, it's going to open just in just one. So the best way to do is just, so once you log into your account, once you are on your MT5 like this, make sure you pay attention to it. Come to this file, come to the open data folder, click on it. Yes, you can see MQL5, right? Double click on it, click on expert. So you can paste it here like this, paste it here. You can see there copy something like this. This means it's already available here. So I just need to cancel it. So it's already available here, as you can see. This is it. So that's how once you paste it here, just close this one like this. So what you need to do is just come here like this. Put your mouse here. Put your mouse in any place here. You can see this navigatory area. Just put your mouse there. You are not expected to click anything, just put your mouse there and right click. So once you right click, you are going to see all this option. So just click on refresh. So once you click on refresh, it's going to show among this option. Immediately you integrate it like that, it will not appear here. But if you come here and right click like this and click on refresh, once you click on refresh, it's going to appear here. So once you appear here like this, you can drag it to the chart. So as you can see, this pop-up is going to come up like this, something like this. Click on yes. Click on yes. So the first thing for you to locate is for you to locate this close or trade before. Just turn it to true. So turn it to true. So afford will get gap. You can double click on it, turn it to true also. So uh this is Will Matter Trading Broker. Just leave it at first. But if you are using an account that does not allow you to trade IE partners, just turn it to true. I hope you get right. But one of the things that is more important is that this is the most important aspect of it. Here, if you are using 0.5, if it is 0.5 that I recommend or the one you are using, in which is the one that I normally recommend for everyone, make sure you change it to 0.5. And if you are using 1, we can leave it at 1. So that's that. So that's that. So, and for those of us who have a personalized set file, if you are using this boot for WeMaster Trading, you don't need any personalized set file. You just need to click on OK. Okay, right? Everything is set. The only adjustment you make there is that this close or trade before weekend, you change it to true. And you make sure you change your lot size to 0.5. But on this account, I'm using 1. That's why I leave it at 1. But you can change it to 0.5. So, and you can also change this to your name. You can change it to your name, something like this. So that's that. That's the only adjustment you can make. So you just click on OK. So in case you are using it to trade another proof and I've already sent you a set file. So I know your set file is already available in your document. Just click on it like this and click open. So it will change all the parameter. You can see, right? And if you pay attention to it, it change the entry, the everything, because this is the parameter I'm using it for it before. So it change everything. But in case if you are using it for another profile and I've already sent you a set file, the only thing you can do is just come here, load your set file, the set file if you are using it for another profile, but this particular one is for Wemaster Trading Broker. So there will not be a need for me to load, but let me load it so that you see how it appear. You can see, right, all the adjustments in the set file is already adjusted automatically. So that's it. But if you're using it for Wemaster Trading, you don't need to change anything. You don't need to change anything. So everything is being only what you need to change is this afford. You can turn this on if you wish. You can turn, but this close, this is the adjustment you make. This is the adjustment you make. Just change it to true. So that's that. And also, you can also change this to your name if you wish. So you can change it to your name like this. So you can make it more personal. So that's that. And also pay attention to this false risk. So but if you receive a set file, all these settings already come with the set file. But if you do not receive any set file, maybe you do not have any set file and you are using it for Webmaster Trading, the only thing I want you to pay attention to is come here, close all trade, just turn it to true, and you can change this one to your name also. You can change this one to your name, and just make sure you come this first risk, first entry risk, you can change it to 0.5, 0.5. So that's the only thing you need to make adjustments. But if you are the one that's using one, just leave it at one. So that's the only adjustment you need to make and click on OK. So that's all. So if you want to make any adjustment again, double click on it. So this is the only adjustment you can just make. For those of us who are using phone, the exactly way we are able to get it into phone, then you can use the same way to get. But we do, I'm very, very busy recently. If you are using phone and you do not know how to navigate it easily, you can message me to schedule a time with you. Maybe something before Friday, I think I will be less busy. You can do it. So I hope you get right. So that's that about that. I'll make sure every one of us do it before Friday.